Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. Hosseini and welcome to Medical and Health. Dates have a special place among agricultural products. Dates are high in calories, fiber, protein, fructose, antioxidants, vitamins A, B, C, D and E, minerals such as potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese and copper. Dates are a sweet, tasty and energizing fruit that have a hot nature for the body and contains many vitamins. For example, the vitamin A in dates can help improve vision and eye health. Due to its nutritional benefits, dates also play a role in preventing and controlling many diseases, the prevention of cardiovascular diseases, brain diseases, and cancer. Dates are also used in the treatment of some diseases such as malignant ulcers, digestive disorders, multiple sclerosis, and bronchitis. Most experts recommend that it's better to replace sugar with dates when drinking tea, because dates have natural sugar. This type of sugar is absorbed quickly and is preferred to artificial sweeteners. Also, if you have sleep disorders, remember to drink a glass of warm milk with a few dates every night before going to sleep. At the same time, dates have vitamins A and C, which support nails, hair, and skin. The vitamins in dates cause growth enhancement and maintain the health of bones and teeth. Dates are very nutritious and energizing, and its consumption can be useful during physical activities, sports, intellectual work, and fasting. Dates are one of the effective ingredients in improving memory and are a good source of vitamins B, iron and manganese, and thus can be a suitable food for memory enhancement. Dates have an excellent nutritional profile, and it's better to include them in the diet of elderly, children and teenagers. For more use of dates, you can use this fruit in different ways. For example, put some pitted dates in a blender with milk and prepare date milk. Date milk is easily consumed by older adults and children. Dates strengthen and regulate the digestive system, and the compounds in it regulate gastric acid. People whose stomach secretes excess acid or so-called sore stomach can eat dates. Dates also have laxative properties and cleanse the intestines. The nicotinic substance found in dates is an extremely effective medicine to relieve intestinal discomfort. Eating dates also can improve gut bacteria. It should be noted that dates have a lot of sugar, therefore, people with diabetes should be careful in eating dates. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also don't forget to subscribe me for more medical and health contents.